the lamp. Liziqi is the best Chinese YouTuber. I'm going to analyze and react to her video.
And most of all, explain some fun facts about the Chinese New Year.
She just did a Chinese New Year video and we will watch it together. She's making a Chinese couplet. A couplet is a traditional written calligraphy of ancient poetry on a red paper. She is writing her New Year greetings.
She is making decorations with the seal Fu. Fu means wealth and good fortune in Chinese. The Chinese are crazy about stamps. When I worked at the Shanghai Expo 2010, each pavilion had a single visitor stamp. This year is the year of the ox. Ox regarded as loyal and hard-working.
This is not the year of the lamb, the year of the ox. I think you are confused, but it's much cuter. According to the legend, there was a monster named Yin. This monster entered the village, destroyed it completely, and she ate the local children. The village people realized that she got scared from the color red, from fire, and from noise.
Since then, every Chinese New Year, the Chinese still use it to scare the monster. In Liziqi videos, everything comes from her natural surroundings. I strongly recommend that you will watch the whole video. You can thank me for that in the comments below. This is the best part. Hanging up the decoration couplet will bring happiness and fortune to the upcoming year.
You can see that she hanged the Fu upside down. This means Fu Daula. If I'm telling you your Fu is upside down, that means your Fu has arrived. Your happiness has arrived.
See this red plant? The willow is a classic Chinese New Year must-have, symbolizing growth and prosperity. Now we have to discuss about something important: fruits and sweets.
In the Chinese New Year Eve, giving your guests clementine or oranges means you are wishing them a good fortune. Oh, that's too much sugar. Maybe she's making a jam out of it. Now it looks so beautiful in the shape of flower. Well done!
She is also boiling those small apples, pare it and put it in a bucket full of sugar. Look on those little hairs on her candy.
How did she make it?
Oxicles. This is the Chinese character for ox. Does it look the same? Yes, we need something sour. She makes snacks from sunflower seeds using salt.
It is very fun to sit together with your family and crack it on the holiday evening. What is she doing with this cone? Do you think this cone will do the job? I really enjoyed making this video. As always, like and subscribe will be very appreciated.
Noodles. Long noodles symbolize longevity, and it is common to eat it during the Chinese New Year evening meal. This is Liziqi's favorite dish from childhood. This woman is amazing. Her grandmother is wearing a cloth with horns. This is so cute! We can understand from this video that it pays up to prepare well for your holidays. If you prepare 2 up to 3 days before the holidays, you can end up with beautiful decoration and delicious food. Have a great day, and Zai Jian.